let's go. I'm not looking forward to this. What we're working with today, it's, you know, very well fermented. Let's show you how we deal with this. My balls are sweaty. Jesus, it's hot. Oh gosh. Oh mate, it's stuck to the pill. Look at that, and that's made a mess. Veggie one, look at that. Oh, that's 65 degrees centigrade.